देखिए कल हमने बातें की और हमने ये समझा था कि हैज टू या हैव टू को हम क्यों बोलते हैं। जब हम जरूरत की बात करते हैं, जरूरत भी कैसे होती है जिसमें हम अपने किसी मजबूरी को दिखाते हैं। जरूरत ऐसी जिसमें हमें वो काम करना ही पड़ेगा या करना पड़ता है और हम उससे बच नहीं सकते हैं। ठीक है, तो आज हम इसमें क्वेश्चन करना भी सीखेंगे प्रॉपर तरीके से, फिर उसके बाद आपको डिस्कस करना है सभी लोगों को। ठीक है ना? जब हम सामने वाले से पूछेंगे तो हमें ऐसे बोलना चाहिए उसे डू यू हैव टू। क्या बोला हमें उसे?
डू यू हैव टू,
डू यू हैव टू,
डू यू हैव टू,
डू यू हैव टू,
डू यू हैव टू।
जैसे ही हैव टू का हम यूज करेंगे समझ जाइए हम किसी की मजबूरी के बारे में बातें कर रहे हैं। ठीक है, और जिससे बातें कर रहे हैं उसी की मजबूरी की बात कर रहे हैं, इसलिए हमें बोलना है उससे डू यू हैव टू। क्या बोलना है हमें?
डू यू हैव टू।
अब हम कोई भी बात हम कह सकते हैं। डू यू हैव टू बीट अदर्स? बोलिए।
डू यू हैव टू बीट अदर्स।
इसका मतलब है क्या आपको दूसरों को पीटना पड़ता है। ये तो इसकी हिंदी हुई, लेकिन अगर हम इसके सेंस की बात करें तो हम ये कह सकते हैं कि क्या दूसरों को पीटना आपकी मजबूरी है। ठीक है, और ये आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है। आप कह सकते हैं कि भाई मजबूरी है तो बोल देंगे आप इसमें यस। क्या बोलना है आपको?
यस,
आई हैव टू बीट अदर्स,
बीट अदर्स,
बीट अदर्स,
बीट अदर्स।
और नहीं टीचर। हाँ ठीक है, और अगर आप इसमें आगे बता सकते हैं कुछ, जैसे कि पीटना इसलिए पड़ता है, अगर रीजन भी बताना है, क्लैरिफाई करना है, तो आप कह सकते हैं जस्ट बिकॉज आई एम एल्डर इन माय फैमिली, जस्ट बिकॉज आई एम अ टीचर, जस्ट बिकॉज आप किसी भी तरीके से बता सकते हैं वहां पर बोल के। ठीक है ना? और मना करना है आपको तो आप इसमें बोल सकते हैं नो। क्या बोलेंगे आप इसमें? नो आई। जब भी डू वाला क्वेश्चन होता है तो वहां डू नॉट से जाता है, नेगेटिव क्वेश्चन जो होता है, तो हमें बोलना है नो आई डू नॉट हैव टू बीट अदर्स, बीट अदर्स। तो यहाँ मेन चीज है, जब भी आप टॉकिंग करेंगे तो क्वेश्चन बोलना आपको आना चाहिए, फिर आंसर आपको पता होना चाहिए हमें बोलना कैसे है। डू यू हैव टू क्वेश्चन में क्या बोलेंगे?
डू यू हैव टू,
डू यू हैव टू। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है डू यू हैव टू अर्न मनी फॉर योर नीड्स?
डू यू हैव टू अर्न मनी फॉर योर नीड्स।
क्या आपको अपने परिवार के लिए या परिवार की जरूरत है, ठीक है ना, सर नॉट परिवार मतलब योर नीड्स, अपनी जरूरतों के लिए क्या आपको पैसा कमाना पड़ता है? ठीक है ना, तो हम इसको बोलते हैं डू यू हैव टू अर्न मनी फॉर योर नीड्स। ठीक है ना, कि क्या आपको अपनी जरूरतों के लिए पैसा कमाना पड़ता है। अब इसमें आप अपने हिसाब से बोल सकते हैं, आंसर दे सकते हैं। ऐसे ही आपको काफी क्वेश्चंस करने हैं। डू यू हैव टू राइड अ बाइक? डू यू हैव टू गेट अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग? क्या आपको सुबह में जल्दी उठना पड़ता है? ठीक है ना, कोई भी आप क्वेश्चन ऐसे बोलेंगे। डू यू हैव टू चार्ज मोबाइल? डू यू हैव टू ऑपरेट मोबाइल? तो जो भी क्वेश्चन करें आप डू यू हैव टू से बोलेंगे। अब आप रेडी हैं टॉकिंग करने के लिए?
Yes, sir.
One person will ask question and another person will answer the questions. All right?
Yes, sir.
Please. अब इसको pause करें।
In office.
Do you have to ride the bike in these days?
Yeah, of course, because I go to my office at morning.
Because you only go to office in the morning. That is
So I ride the bike.
that is really important to you. And do you have to
Do you have to smoke?
run? Do you have to run every day?
Yes, I have to run every day.
But why?
Because I am a set a goal for running.
Yes.
So you want to become a army man?
You become an army.
No, I don't. Actually, I am not become army man. I want to become a
If we are
fastest man of
if we
India.
are
Fastest man.
Oh.
Achha. Okay. Do you want? Do you have to eat fast foods?
No, I do not have to eat fast food.
But why?
Because I don't like fast food.
You never like fast food.
Yes, I never like fast food. I like only Golgappa.
In the past, Golgappa actually it's really favorite. And do you have to operate mobile and laptop?
Yes, I have to operate mobile just because sometimes I start study with it. Sometimes I want to share my notes. That's
I also have to operate system because I have to share reports in my office.
Do you have
Do you ride the bike in winter season?
Yes, today I have to ride the bike because of my duty. You know, when I ride bike, I got really goosebumps on bike because there is too much winter, lots of winter, and I feel cold, and today I feel not good because of winter, and there is so lots of Kohra, and on the Galgotia University I have seen that there is accident happening, and you know, in the accident, and there one people die and 14 people are injured.
Yes, sir, I know.
They are injured in a
I saw
bus
that
accident. The bus fall in the on the road to
from the expressway.
Yes, today. That's
Do you have to smoke regularly?
I don't have to smoke because the smoke is really injurious to health.
Do you have to write notes for your class?
Yes, I have write notes from my class just because.
Please.
Do you have to lift dimple?
Yes, I have to lift dimple.
Do you have to eat teach children every day?
No, I do not have to teach children every day.
Yes, I have to teach children every day. Do you have to ride bike every day?
Yes, I have to ride a bike every day.
Yes, I have to ride bike every day. Do you mopping?
Do you have to?
Do you have to mopping every day?
No, I do not have to mopping every day. Do you have to go to college every day?
Yes, I have to go to college every day. Yes, I have to go to college every day. But do you
Why?
have to brush teeth every day?
Yes, I have to brush teeth every day.
Yes, I know.
He go every day.
Ask.
Do you have to play marble?
No, I do not have to play marble.
Do you have to play football?
Yes, I have to play football.
Do you have to play gilli danda?
No, I do not have to gilli danda.
Do you have to play? Do you have to drive a Mercedes car?
No, I have to not have to.
I do not have to
I do not have to a Mercedes car.
drive
Do
Mercedes.
you have?
That time,
He has
which condition was not
Do
good?
you?
Yes.
Do you?
So at that time, your tomorrow exam, tomorrow is your maths exam, right?
Yes.
And I want to talk on a maths. You have received the lots of mock tests
Mock tests.
at this time on your WhatsApp group of your
Yes,
school.
I have.
And what's about that, and what will you do with your mock test?
Now, when I
No, I have to not.
leave to tuition, then I start solve simple papers. In this 20 simple paper
No, I don't. No, I do.
for reduced syllabus.
Yes. But why?
Just because when I do exam, I completely understand what type of questions come to there.
So I want to ask that. I want to ask the question. You know, what will you do? How can you handle your 20 mock tests at that time in the night? Because tomorrow is your exam. How can you prepare yourself in one night? The 20 mock tests is there. I want to ask that how much questions are in one mock test?
It takes every mock test 1 to 2 hours. Then it takes mostly some questions are repeated in sample paper.
You mean you are prepared already?
I am prepared.
You have
I have completed
They will ask.
NCERT.
They will ask on daily basis.
3 boards are come from NCERT books. And notes are
at the end you are
I am fully
fully and finally prepared for your exam.
for my exam.
Yes.
Best of luck.
Yes, I have.
And how was your trip, Bunty? Yes,
Actually,
yesterday.
my trip was not good for me because I'm, you know, weather was not. Yesterday also weather was not good, and you can think Polish their weather is also not good.
Yes, of course. I know about Shimla. All the temperature is really down.
But on daily basis, we are facing rainy issue. On daily basis, at evening also, same condition. So we waste our time in room.
You wasted our time in rooms because of winter.
Because of winter and because of rainy issue.
But I want to know that I want to know that how have the UK cultures and how seen you the cultures.
Actually,
What about
you
the cultures of India?
you can't say, and we can't say also. We don't know about UK culture in 3 days.
Yes.
Because it's too different. The language also too different.
It's
Language
all
also-
out of mind and out of we can say it's all out of
Actually, we took a guide and we hired a gypsy for a group. And we after that we enjoyed. We suffered in gypsy.
when you booked a gypsy for your trip, for enjoying. How much rent did you pay?
Actually, 2,000 rupees only for hiring, only for booking. We need to fill diesel and we can enjoy one day. 2,000 only for one day.
It was 2,000 for one day.
One day.
And how
we can drive that car whole day.
Okay. And if we talk about the kilometers, if we count kilometers, how did they?
Actually, we use only 10 to 15 kilometers
Only
because there is too much points. Points like love point, suicide point, like that.
Okay. There is so much funny moments and funny places.
We parked the gypsy and we enjoyed on foot and hills and by foot.
You enjoyed big hills and other things.
And jheel.
And the water and the ponds also there. Ponds, the beautiful ponds also there.
Of course.
It was in Simla or Manali?
Nainital.
It was Nainital.
Naini Jheel. There is a Naini Jheel.
What's about Naini? How is Naini Jheel?
Naini Jheel is a big jheel. Nainital. Actually, you can say what have of in Nainital. Then I will say Naini Jheel. Sorry. Nainital has a Naini Jheel. A wonderful jheel. I think 300 meters deep.
It's a 300 meters deep. There are boats.
Yes, sir. Of course, too much boats. You can say
We can run the boats by
foot, and we can run also by generator also.
Oh, generator. The automatics and machineries are always there. And I want to ask you that how was the food? I want to ask foods about foods.
Actually,
how was the experience with food there?
We purchased jalebi there because weather was only
Yeah,
for
it's great jalebi.
and
Yes.
like
You know, my favorite sweets is jalebi.
running. We removed everything like chhata, and we removed and we enjoy.
And I listen about their the kullad chai. What is the experience of the kullad chai?
About to speak about kullad chai. Really enjoyed it.
It's really great. I want to experience that, but when I go there and I really experience
You will take.
Yes, I will take.
Actually, you should take also when you go there, then you should go in Naini Jheel, between of the Naini Jheel. Then you will see around your around. Then you will enjoy the
Surroundings.
surrounding hill atmosphere. Then you will go outside of the Naini Jheel. Then you will see there. Then you will notice sky. You will notice badal, sir. What will you say?
Clouds.
You will feel. We are on the cloud. Cloud is
You are on the cloud. You was on the cloud. You were on the clouds.
You will feel. Of course, you are on the cloud. You can see you are in the sky. Cloud is in our
feet.
It's great. It's really great.
You should
I did
pause.
talk
Discuss कर सकते हैं.
only
Please.
10 rupees, but there was 30 rupees.
अब हमें फुल क्वेश्चन पूछना है, किस प्रकार से पूछेंगे और उसका आंसर भी हमें किस प्रकार देना है, ठीक है ना? देखिए जब हमें फुल क्वेश्चन की बात करनी है तो हमें बोलना चाहिए वहां पर व्हाट डू यू हैव टू, क्या बोलेंगे हम यहाँ पर?
What do you have to?
What do you have to do?
What do you have to do?
Every day.
Every day.
मतलब रोजाना आपको कौन कौन चीजें करनी पड़ती हैं, आपको सब बताना है उसमें. आप यहाँ आंसर उसी प्रकार से बोलेंगे. आप बोलेंगे वेल आई हैव टू get up early in the morning and moreover I have to eat food and furthermore I have to get ready for job or for school, ऐसे बोल सकते हैं. And additionally I have to meet my friends and I have to do some housework, ऐसे आप बोलेंगे यहाँ पर जो, ठीक है ना? I have to, क्या बोलना है आपको यहाँ पर?
I have to.
The next question is what do you have to do in winters, क्योंकि सर्दियों का समय है तो सर्दियों में आपको क्या क्या करना पड़ता है वो सब बताइए आप. जो जैसे सर्दियों में आपको देखिए सर्दियों वाले कपड़े पहनने पड़ते हैं, विंटर क्लोथ पहनने पड़ते हैं आपको, ठीक है ना? और जो हॉट डिशेज होती हैं, जो गर्म खाना होता है स्पेशली, वही हम खाना ज्यादा प्रीफर करते हैं, खाना भी जो, ठीक है ना? जैसे कि टी है, कॉफी है, ये सब चीज ज्यादा पी जाती है, बेवरेजेस वगैरह जो होती हैं, ठीक है? इसके अलावा ग्लव्स वगैरह पहनना और साथ में घर में ज्यादा रहना, अगर बाहर जाएंगे तो बड़ी सावधानी के साथ में, ठीक है ना? तो जो भी आपको दिन भर में करना पड़ता है वो आपको सारा कुछ बताना होगा. व्हाट डू यू हैव टू डू इन विंटर्स. नेक्स्ट है व्हाट टाइप ऑफ फूड डू यू हैव टू हैव, ठीक है ना? इसको सुनिएगा, समझिएगा इसको. व्हाट टाइप ऑफ फूड, किस प्रकार का खाना, डू यू हैव टू आपको पड़ता है. हैव के दो कई मतलब होते हैं एक्चुअली, तो यहाँ इस हैव का मतलब है खाना और इस हैव का मतलब पीने से भी होता है, ठीक है ना? तो किस प्रकार का खाना आपको खाना पड़ता है. अगर वही हम वाइन की बात करें, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ वाइन डू यू हैव टू हैव, किस प्रकार की वाइन आपको पीनी पड़ती है, ठीक है ना? तो यहाँ आप बता सकते हैं इसके बारे में. हाँ. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट डज योर वाइफ, अगर जिनकी शादी होगी वो वाइफ के बारे में बात करेंगे. व्हाट डज योर वाइफ हैव टू डू, आपकी पत्नी को रोजाना या जो भी करते हो काम, वो कौन कौन से काम है जो उनको करने पड़ते हैं मजबूरी में. मम्मी की बात करें तो हम बोलेंगे व्हाट डज योर मदर हैव टू डू, क्या आपकी मम्मी को क्या क्या करना पड़ता है. अब यहाँ इतनी बात याद रखनी है आपको कि जब मदर या फादर वन पर्सन के बारे में बोले तो आंसर में आपको बोलना है वेल, हाँ, माई मदर हैज टू से आंसर देना है यहाँ पर. हैज टू और सारी बातें आप बोलते चले जाएंगे. एंड मोर ओवर, फर्दर मोर वगैरह लगा करके आप बोलेंगे, ठीक है? नेक्स्ट फाइनल क्वेश्चन होगा व्हाट डू पॉलिटिशियंस हैव टू डू इन इलेक्शंस. जब इलेक्शंस आते हैं तो जो नेता लोग होते हैं, पॉलिटिशियंस होते हैं, वो उनको क्या क्या करना पड़ता है उस समय. सो दे हैव टू come to meet people and they have to ask for vote and they have to make promise, okay, and they have to work for their party and they have to canvass for their party, okay. प्रचार वगैरह भी उनको काफी करना पड़ता है. तो ऐसे बहुत सारी बातें आप बता सकते हैं यहाँ पर. तो आप इसके लिए रेडी रहेंगे डिस्कस करने के लिए? तो अब आप डिस्कस कीजिए आप सभी के साथ.
Today I denied my friendship with my friends because of winter. I said that I am denied our friendship till summers because of winter. Because they have not car. I need a car in winter because the bike is not comfortable in winter. Because that's the reason of the denied friendship.
Oh, very good.
I want the friendship only the friends who has the 4-wheeler. I want the safety.
He told them he will meet his friend after winter.
Oh, very good.
The Bunty has the tastes of the Kullad Chai and Pakodi. Also they enjoyed lots of there. What I want to ask that what was your great experience there?
Actually, I will say after that. What do you have to wear in winter?
Actually, we wear the hot clothes like
I-
jackets, cap, gloves, socks.
यूज कर have to.
And you are
actually
get ready
for
college and I
for
take
Keep me, please keep discussing.
कर लेंगे edit यार.
वो तो हो जाएगा सब.
सर जी काट दिए
Now,
प्लीज स्पीक
be serious, please, and enjoy this.
Don't mind, there is
Yes,
no camera, there
of
is no
course.
camera. Please
You are thinking so much about the camera. Don't think so much, please.
ignore the camera.
I have
Let's
to
stop.
do it in that we should wear clothes and we have to
I have to wear
every day and why? Well, I am get up in the morning because I am go to the college in the every day 9 o'clock. So I am get up in the morning 6 o'clock and then go to
I have to.
I have to go to washroom and fresh. Well, I come in washroom, then I take a bath.
I have to
take a bath and I have to wear a cloth. Then I get ready because I go a college.
I go to
I go to college.
I have to wake up early in the morning and I am get up 6 o'clock and furthermore I am get ready.
I have to.
I have to get ready and I have to go to job and I have to take lunch and furthermore I have to teach people and exactly I have to come to my home and moreover I have to come to tuition and furthermore I have to talk to my friends and besides I have to speak on the podium and moreover I have to go to home and besides this I have to take a dinner and furthermore I have to sleep on the bed. When you front the camera please speak loudly.
You also have to do every day. You should speak.
It's not like
Now it is.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if we talk about what is the topic there, have to. If we talk about have to, what type of food do you have to have?
I have to eat hot foods in winter.
Okay.
Just because winter is so much cold.
Loudly, please.
We have to wear jackets.
Okay.
We have to wear cap, gloves, shoes. And we have to
I just asked to you about foods.
We have to take tea. We have to take pakodi.
We have to take tea. We have to take pakodis. We have to take the coffee.
Almonds also.
We have actually
We have to take almonds.
We have to take dry fruits.
We have to eat nuts.
Yes,
we
of
have
course.
to eat hot milk.
Yes, of course.
We have to eat.
If we talk about the clothes, what type of clothes do you have to have in the winter?
Actually, I have to wear.
No. Have to have. Have to wear.
Have to wear.
Actually, I have to wear hot clothes in winter, like jackets, cap, and
I have to
shoes.
wear suit set
Shoes.
up. I have to wear
Set of
jacket. I have to
set
wear
of
cap.
old.
I have to wear shoes. I have to wear socks. I have to wear.
It's really. But what does your mother have to do in daily basis? For me,
Ready.
what does your wife have to do every day?
My wife has to get up early in the morning. After that, she has to make tea. After that, she has to make a food for me. Prepared food, you can say. After that, she have to take
She has to.
take tea. After that,
Please.
What do you have to do? What do you have to do?
What does your mother?
What does your mother have to do?
Okay. Well, my mother has to get up early in the morning, and moreover, well, my mother has to wake up 3 o'clock, and furthermore, my
She has to.
she has to cook food, and furthermore, she has to get ready, and moreover, she has to take a bath, and moreover, and furthermore, she has to
Clean the house.
and moreover, she has to
She has to go prepare food.
prepared food, and moreover, she has to
Mop the floor.
mop the floor, and moreover, she has to wash clothes, and further